Touch of Style 20th Annual Car and Bike Show, November 9th, Jack O'Connell Park. We'll be here all day. Music's already going. The vendors are setting up. Must be at least 100 cars here already. So I better get my act together. Show you what's going on. They're still rolling in. Check out this beauty. That is one sweet paint job. Look at that. Convertible Impala. Another nice looking convertible. They are rolling in still. Lined up to set up. So we're going to have quite a turnout here today, folks. Take a while just to park all these guys. Right, ready to do a little walking around here. Talk to some of these owners about their fine rides. Right, they are lined up. 10 deep still. Parking lot's got them in style here. Dulce 85. Cruceros. That's one nice paint job. Gotta like that. Oldsmobile action. This camera's not gonna do these paint jobs justice, so I hate to tell you. I want to show for sure you need to get yourself down here and check out these paint jobs. Alright, adventure seekers. Vendors are out. We got the lowrider flags. We got the mugs. We've got the hats. Got the Hot Wheel vendors. Got the candles. We have art made out of old shells, tanks, things like that. More t-shirts. Alright, Touch of Style. Putting on a good show. That's for sure. Little drone action. Check it out, the drone man. YouTube drone. That's right. Yeah, I used to do drone shots on my YouTube channel, but I lost it.
High-tech stuff, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Check it out.
Yeah, you can just watch wherever it's going.
I could go fast on it.
Man, thing does haul butt.
Yeah, let's go 60 miles an hour.
Oh, dude.
Look at it, it's coming in.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah, that's one serious drone, man. Alright, little drone photography. Alright. Whole family getting out for the menudo action. Looking good. Alright, adventure seekers, in case you need to wake up, be able to see the show, get on down here to the Solamente Cafe. Get his own brand of coffee even, man. That's pretty cool. And the drone flyer too. Flying the drone. Got the coffee.
Come out.
Man. Hopefully he'll throw me a couple drone shots. Yeah. Alright, the DJI drones showing its strutting its stuff. Okay, so yeah, so remember, get on down here and stop by Solamente Cafe. Yourself some primo coffee. Alright, the cars are still rolling in. Gonna be a good show. Who knows? Probably have more than a couple hundred cars here. I better get busy. Do some documentation. Alright, it's a way to get to this car show right there. Alright, need some menudo with your coffee. This family set you up right here. Okay, remember this whole event. Good for the kiddos. Sponsored by Touch of Style. Win some stuff here. Toys for Tots benefits. Bring yourself a toy down to donate to the kiddos. Alright, let me start walking around, showing off these rocks. Alright, adventure seekers. Looks like they're letting the derelicts into this show too. There's Ida's 37 Chevy Business Coupe. Ida means business when she rolls in with this coupe with a 350 stroker. Custom built by her husband Ray. Here's Ray's 72 pickup truck. Also built from the ground up. They're out. Looks like it's going to be a fine day here. Jack O'Connell Park. 1981 Chevy. Monte Carlo. It's a good looking ride. Boulevard Riders. 66 Chevy Impala. Convertible action. Looks like a fun ride. An Oldsmobile. What a beautiful paint job on this thing, man. Dude, that's the thing. It's hard to get such nice paint jobs on the film, you know what I mean? You have to be here. So, that's right. So you got to get on down here, Adventure Seekers. This little camera's not going to do these cars justice. Check out the etching in the interior. Wow, this car's sweet. It's an awesome looking green too. Brings a smile to your face every time you cruise down the road with this, huh? Can't help but smile. Get the thumbs up everywhere you go. El Camino action. Looking good. Alright, riding in style and comfort. The cool looking Caddy, 89. Man, love those plush seats in the Cadillac. Can't go wrong. That's right. Nice looking paint job too. Thanks for bringing it out. It's one sweet looking ride. Alright, what else we got going on here? 65 Ford Thunderbird. Gotta have a Thunderbird. Your car show's not complete. Check out this Monte Carlo. Incredible. 78. United Pride Car Club. Quite the paint job. Check out that interior. I like it. I'm talking plush. Hydraulic action, pinstriping, custom paint jobs. Nice. Buick Regal. 1985. Alright, another United Pride. Cool looking truck. That with hydraulic action. United Pride cruising. 1939. World's Fair. The High Rollers from Santa Barbara. 1956. Chevy Impala convertible. Love that red and black. Old school lines. Another cool looking Impala, 56. Chevy Bel Air. Good looking. Another nice looking Chevy. 1970 Chevy Impala. Perfect year. Do anything you want to the engine. Like that. Check out this beautiful paint job. 140 World's Fair. That thing glistens, man. Love that metal flake, man. See that coming for miles around. The Master Deluxe. 1940 Chevy Master Deluxe, and that means business. Another one. Special Deluxe here. 1941 Special Deluxe. That pups. Out. With the cool looking convertibles. 1973 Impala. Like that. Custom action. Cars are out. Check out this. You got the Batman look, man. 805 Customs. Ready to go. '84 Chevy Impala, little kid car too. Another 805 Customs, the Modelo Special. Impala SS. Second ride. Like the yellow Malibu convertible. Man, nice. Impala SS. Check out the etching on the bumper. That thing. Cool. Pinstriping action. Sniff, but do not scratch. Out, little Firebird. Set off by himself. Firebird spree. Nice looking ride there, sir. 1950 Chevy Deluxe. Sweet. Nice look at pinstriping. Look out the stereo, custom stereo action and hydraulics. Nice. Gilbert and Richard Coda dialed this thing in. Like that. Central Coast Cruisers. Pocket change. It's just pocket change. 1952. Love that engine, that thing. Cool. Deluxe Cruiser. Nice. Green on this one. Let's go Chevy. 1951. Like that. Convertible. What a beautiful restoration on this one, folks. 1951. Keeping it looking good. 53. Oh, nice. Yeah, I love that paint job. That's a beautiful color. Another Chevy. Good. 1960 Chevy Impala. Batmobile styling there. Let's see, the 63 Chevy Impala. Hey! They'll let anybody in this show, huh? Even you guys. Hey, I like your styling, man.
Thank you.
That's right.
Thank you.
Got the cowboy look going on.
I was wearing the white one last time.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna have to get all the women be chasing you, looking as sharp as you do. Yeah, man, look at this. Got the boots. You got the belt buckle. So, oh man, that is a nice belt.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to upgrade my style.
Okay.
You're gonna have to. I'll have to hit you up, my fashion consultant. You're looking good, man.
Thank you.
All right, good seeing you. 62 Chevy Impala. $19.50 Chevy sedan delivery. Got them out today, folks. Chrysler. Hey, we got the stereo beast right here. 1950 Chevy. Model if she's willing. Dos. Cool looking pickup trucks. Nice looking Chevy Impala. Check out this Escalade. Dialed in. Ay caramba. Shocks, airbags, tires, rims, everything's done up on this thing. What a wild beast. Beautiful machine. All right, man. You can use this guy for traction with this Escalade.
I pulled it in.
You pulled it in. Yeah, I bet you did. Mr. Teabag. Mr. Moto Action. All right, 22 GTS mini bike. And then the Teabag, one of my favorite derelict cars. Good morning, how are you? Good. Was it a little chilly driving in this morning or no? Was it? I know. I drove the Slingshot and it wasn't bad at all either. I thought it was going to be colder. Well, you've got the fun ride, I'll tell you that. Little Santa Barbara Nightlife Cruiser. Green top, black bottom. 1954 Chevy Bel Air. Another Impala action. Still got the Halloween decorations going. Dia de los Muertos, 1958 Impala, 1 year older than me. Now that's old. Another cool looking Chevy here. Nightlife. Look, but do not touch my deluxe machine. Loyalty Ones Car Club. Impala convertible looking good. Old school Ford truck. House Lone Wolf. Backyard custom Guadalupe. Nice. Love that. Looking good. Cadillac Chrome. Beautiful paint job on this one. 64 Chevy Impala. Nice looking ride. 1950. Liking it. Packard Cruisin' Action. 1935 Beret. Ford or sedan. The Brave family always brings out the best. Nice looking Chevy Impala. 66. Oldsmobile. 1951 Oldsmobile Rocket. Tearing it up with that thing. 4. Chevy. Grand Prix. All right, adventure seekers. The mini bike is dialed in. All right, tell me a little bit about this beast.
It's a 212 Predator, Harbor Freight. You know those motors that a lot of people start with.
Yeah, 212 Predator from Harbor Freight. Yeah.
Just the block though.
Just the block.
Everything else inside has been taken out and it's all aftermarket. So we got a billet, connecting rod, a high compression flat top piston, different crank so it's stroked out. So it's technically, it's 212, but it's technically a 224 when you add the piston to the stroke ratio.
Yeah.
But the block looks like the block, you know? So then we got inside here is a billet flywheel to handle all the RPMs that you have down there. And then we have a big three something cam, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like to say too many on that. And then up here we have a different head with an aftermarket big valve. So it has a 32 millimeter intake and a 25 millimeter exhaust. Stock it comes with a 27 and a 25.
Yeah.
Bigger intake valve. Poured it out on this side to pretty thin. I poured it out myself so that it has better flow. And then I run a 28 millimeter carb. So the carb to the intake valve, it matches pretty well.
Yeah.
I got a 2-inch velocity stack. Up here we got my fuel pump. And then I run a Taylor spark plug wire with a NGPA spark plug. Under here I have 1.2 roller ratio rockers.
Oh yeah. You've dialed this thing in.
Those in there with dual 42-pound valve springs.
Uh-huh.
And then we have billet retainers out of my valve cover up to my catch can, and in between we have a check valve just so that I don't have any back pressure down into my block.
Uh-huh.
We have this extra crankcase vent because with the cam and the roller rockers and the high lift, it makes a lot of crankcase pressure, so we have to vent it. And then we have my nice 5-stage teardrop pipe.
And you built this whole thing from the ground up yourself, right?
Yeah.
Dang.
Started at Harbor Freight, you know.
Oh man, well,
from there is all.
There's not much Harbor Freight left in this baby though.
Yep.
It's just the outside, but yeah, I've seen this thing evolve over the last, what, year?
Yeah.
You've had like 3 engines, different paint jobs.
A couple engines, you know, you gotta live and learn.
Yeah, you got the stabilizer on there.
Stabilizer, the cylinder gas tank.
All right, adventure seekers, if you want a real adventure, strap this baby between your legs. 70 miles an hour, but you won't know you're going that fast, except when you smile and have the bugs get in your teeth.
I think I did 77, the last thing I did.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I did 77.
Oh, you be careful there, youngster.
Oh yeah. This is a cruiser, it just, you know, it can do that.
They can do that.
It can do that.
It's dialed in.
Cruiser, a little burnout bike.
You don't need no shocks, just a good seat.
Yep.
All right.
Air down.
Well, thanks. Air down. All right, adventure seekers, continue my walk around. Get another look at this Escalade. Insanely nice. White. Airbag, rim, tire, lift. Detailed out. Chevrolet Impala. School Chevy truck. Love that green. Beautiful color. 1990 Ford Lincoln Town Car. For sale. Could be yours. Look good in anybody's driveway. Cruise with that town car. Right, Santa Maria. Car clubs. Chevy Master Deluxe. 1938. Edo's Car Club. Another good looking Chevy. 1962 Chevy Impala. Edo's are out. In force with a Master Deluxe. Not just Deluxe, it's a Master Deluxe. 1941. Looking good. Another Grand Prix. The LJ version. Looking Grand Prix by Pontiac. 1977. Another good looking Chevy. Cruising on down the road with this baby. 1954. Oldsmobile 88. Liking that. 1951 Rocket. Another nice looking Impala. The Beret 35. 35 Ford, four-door sedan. Packard action again. 1964 Chevy Impala. Nothing like that. 1948 Chevy Flatline. Wood action. Check out this one. Pretty darn nice. Like that engine. 327 dialed in. 1964 Chevy Impala convertible. Nice looking Chevy. Don't let anybody into this show. Wow, check this one rolling in. You don't see too many of those, man. Stylish. All right. Check out this special. Rolling in, man. Styling with that thing. Not messing around at all. That one. It's a beautiful ride. Look at that. Super Sport. Oh, check out that intake. This yours? Oh, man. That's sweet, dude.
The whole thing was solar.
The what?
The whole front end was solar.
Oh, yeah? That's nice. What? The detailed engine in that thing. 65 Chevy Impala. Look at that interior, too. Not anything like this around. One of a kind. Oh, man, check this out. Liking that. Green. Talk about customized. 1963 Chevy Impala convertible. Cool Chevy truck. Camper shell action. 65 Chevy. That's a good looking Chevy. A good looking Chevy out and about. 47 Chevy Fleet Master Coupe. 1948 Chevy Fleetline. Another sweet looking Chevy right here. Detailed to max. 64 Chevy Impala convertible. Looking good. Another nice looking Chevy. Bel Air. Old school, cool. What else we got going on here? 79 Chevy El Camino. LA Special. Another 70 Chevy Monte Carlo. The Light Car Club of that red. Right here, that's 71 Chevy Monte Carlo. Another Light Car Club. Nice, cool truck. Look at that. Old school. Check out. Customized bed on that thing. Slammed it down to the ground. Touch of style. Detailed interior on that. Detailed tubbed out action. Right here. 1998 Honda Civic. Some hydraulic action going on that one. Liking it. 62 Chevy Bel Air. This one beautiful red truck right here. 52 Chevy. Look at that engine on that thing. Step side red. Santa Maria Needles. Beautiful bed on that thing. Cool looking 72 Chevy Monte Carlo. With that green. Styling machine. What else got going over here? Another Chevy. 53 Chevy Bel Air. How's it going, my friend? Looking nice. There's a machine right there. Old school Chevy pickup, 1950 Chevy 3100. What a beautiful blue. Beautiful blue. Look at that. Check out that bed. Dialed in. Santa Maria 805 Club. 54 Chevy Bel Air. Santa Maria 805. Bringing them out. Strutting their stuff today. What's got going on here? 65 Chevy Impala Super Sport convertible. Take some pride in that ride. Hydraulics going on, everything else. Nice. 1951 Chevy Deluxe sedan. Convertible action. Car clubs are out. Strutting their stuff. Looks like Ken's 32. Gotta love that engine on that thing. The old Bonnie and Clyde mobile. It's 32. Liking it. The Mad Bombers. They're not messing around. Ray 37. Master Deluxe Mad Bomber machine. 53 Ford Custom Line from the Mad Bombers. What's we got going on over here? 71 Buick Riviera Fantail. Look at that paint job. You don't see these very often at all. That thing is beautiful. Love the paint job on that thing. Get a little extra look at this one. That's your ride? Oh man, that's sweet. You don't see that style very often at all. Not even. The paint job's beautiful. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks for bringing that one out. Just never try to replace the rear window. All right. Looking good. The Deluxe machines are out today in force. The Drifters, 49 Drifting Mercury. Dukes, 1935. 36 Chevy Master Deluxe. Looking good, my friend. Man, keeping this thing looking beautiful. Wow. I like it. Right. Talk about a group of people taking pride in their rides. Get on down here. Guadalupe, Jack O'Connell Park. This is a car show not to be missed, folks. Alright, adventure seekers. Check out the paint job on this one. Alberto Herrera, 06. Yeah, this camera can do this any justice at all. What a beautiful paint job. Messing around with this. Good. 94 Cadillac Fleetwood. Yeah, incredible. Did the job on that. Good. So the camera's not going to do this car justice. So you need to get yourself on down here. Check it out. United Central Valley. What awesome looking ride. Hey, there you go. I got a Cadillac for you. Make sure I get them all. It's gonna be hard. Well over 100 cars here today. Mighty fine rides, that's for sure. Y'all are all the way from Bakersfield, huh? That's quite the ride. Thanks for coming out. Some beautiful airbrushing. If you get one of your cards, I'll leave it at the next car show I go to. Alright, adventure seekers, if you need some serious airbrushing, check them out. Hope you can get the info right there. Thanks for coming all the way out. Hope you enjoyed the show. It's a beautiful work. Did you guys do that car there? Oh man, that thing's awesome. Thanks for bringing that thing out. It's beautiful. Alright, do a little walk around these cool looking Harleys. Alrighty. 2003 Harley, got its own bullwhip even. 97 Harley. Check this one out. Oh, caramba. Now this is a serious work of art, adventure seekers. Ay, caramba is all I can say. Ay, yeah. Out airbrush detail, interior detail. Wow, man, that is nice. That is nice, adventure seekers. 64 Chevy Impala SS convertible. Wow, it's a serious work of art, adventure seekers. 63 Chevy Impala station wagon. Yikes. Now that's get a better view at the drive-in with this one. Wow. Now these are some seriously looking cool rides, adventure seekers. Cream of the crop over here. Guadalupe is well represented with its nice rides. Oh man, Liking it. Guadalupe Cruisers. I like that. Close up of the interior here a little bit. Wow. Good view of that engine there too. 63. Dialed in.
How you doing?
Good. A lot of time, money, and love.
Oh, yeah.
One of these,
Yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Man. It's a work of art, man. Work of art. Right. The best of the best over here. On the basketball court. Strutting their stuff. 85. Man. Love that paint job. Beautiful blue metal flake. The pinstriping. Check this one out. Now this is a ride to be proud of. Remember. El Patron. Oh man. It's a hopper, dude. Oh man. Cruceros Ventura. Wow, that's one sweet ride. Dang. El Patron. Just don't drink some Patron when you drive it. Too valuable a car. Right, Coupe de Ville. Airbag. A little detail on this thing, man. Awesome. Awesome. Dialed in. Love the red and white Bel Air as well. Nice. 64 Chevy Bel Air. Touch of style. That's a good looking Chevy. Super Sport. Mid 49 Chevy. Bakersfield. Bringing them out all the way from Bakersfield. You're not messing around. Check out this Bel Air. Beautiful detail. Head covers. Intake. Battery cover. Etched out. Door handles etched out. Serious tunes in this baby too. Check out this deluxe Chevy. That's one beautiful paint job right there, folks. 1850. Gotta like that. A lot of love went into that paint job. Oh, check out the detail. Wow. Beautiful. Caprice, classic. Wow, we got the best of the best out here, that's for sure. Beautiful rides, man. Wally. Nice Impala convertible. We are out in force, folks. See what else we got over here. Some seriously looking cool Harleys. Gotta rope these ones off even, man. All the way from Bakersfield. Cruise here in style. Liking it. Not messing around. Brown Pride. Liking that. Another one for Bakersfield. And sweet. Looking at that. That's for sure. Look at Harley Davidson there. 2016 Harley Street Glide. Beautiful. Check out the detail. Nice. Still cruising there. The Bel Air Deluxe machine. Convertible option. Stylish. Love that color. Got little Regal Limiteds. They are out in force today, folks. Hope you're able to get down to this car show, and if not, look for it next year. Touch of Style, Guadalupe, California, the place to be. Serious looking cruisers out, 1951. Another nice looking Cadillac. Even the kiddos can be cruising and stuff. Another Touch of Style machine. The Monte Carlo action. Love the pinstriping on this one. The beauty. Look at that, man. Nice. Look at that interior. Man, Monte Carlo special right there. Touch of Style. Literally. Hear me out. Nice. Alright, it's still cruising in. 10:30. Big day here. Jackal Primal Park. Got the vendors, we got the music, got the motorcycles. Touch of Style, looking good. Love that color. Love that color. Reaction. Make sure I don't miss anybody today. City of Saints. I don't know how many cars we have out here today, folks. Place is packed. It's a car show not to be missed. Beautiful location. Plenty of nice looking rides. Paint jobs to die for. Detailed. Oh. They are dialed in with their paint job and their spit shining of these beasts. Liking it. Okay, jump on down here so you don't miss it. And if not, put it on your calendars for next year. Show not to be missed. Another little close up of this. Check that all chromed out. This thing is beauty. 1936 Master Deluxe Chevy. Love that color too. 1949 Dukes. Alright, stay tuned, Adventure Seekers. More car show craziness. El Lobo, best meats in Guadalupe. We even got the cool tricycles for the youngsters. Coffee mugs, customized. Another little cruiser, Schwinn. Nice looking ride for the youngsters. Start them off, young. Still cruising in. Good looking Chevy Impala. Better late than never. Jump on down here. Touch of Style. Car show, Guadalupe, California. Not to be missed. Still cruising on in. Another cool looking Impala. Thanks for bringing it out. Still cruising in. El Camino action. Ready to show off his stuff. Go on the yellow. Right, even the spectators have some cool rides. It's one good looking Harley. Liking it. Sweet. Good looking machine. Harley riders are out. Checking out the show. Right. Fun stuff. Always a good time. Car show action. Alright, Adventure Seekers. Get a little close up. All the way from Bakersfield. Check out the detail on this thing. Everywhere you look, something cool. They have dialed this car in. Check out the etching on the rims. Mirrors, door handles, everything is totally customized. That's one wild Bel Air, 1957. What a beautiful restoration. Gotta like that. Alright. Basketball court full of artwork. Yeah. Everywhere you look, you see something cooler. You're not messing around. Cruising on out already. The patina machine. Wicked tacos and more. Right. Food vendors are out. 805 barbecue. Horchata. Sweets. Pies. Candies. You name it. You're not going to go away hungry from this car show. Still cruising in. Civic Chevrolet, Chevy Impala action. Right. Toys for Tots. Whole truck full of them. Kiddos are going to be happy. Still rolling in. The place is rocking. Gonna have some live music here in a minute. Get your stickers. Little live music either. She's ready. Sure stuff. Right. Let's get some live music action going here. Little live music action.
Buenas tardes, nosotros somos los chavos de California, somos de Guadalupe, California. Muchas gracias por tenernos aquí. Y pues más o menos son así. Las mañanitas con mi compa, porque es su cumpleaños y más o menos son así. 1, 2, 3.